I can take the simplest piece of wood and create something of beauty, and I feel like that people will treasure and use for the rest of their lives. Chip carving designs are traditionally very measured. I use rulers, a compass, machinist squares. All my designs are drawn right onto the piece that I'm working on at the time. I start with what I know. I start with what I see. And then as I draw what I see, the rest of it just seems to evolve. There's usually a moment when it just comes together and it's like, yes, that was what I was looking for. The beauty of being a craftsman at Silver Dollar City, and I've been here for many years, is the input that I get from the customer, the guests that we have that come in, and the other craftsmen that are here. Next time you're at Silver Dollar City, please stop by and visit me at the wood carving shop.